All right, let's go to the Kenyan teachers strike now. The Teachers Employer Teachers Service Commission has now written to the Supreme Court seeking to withdraw its latest application to have the teachers' pay increment suspended. The TSC now argues that 2 orders issued by the court last week have indicated that the Supreme Court does not intend to allow the hearing of their application. The TSC lawyer Stella Ruto wrote to the Supreme Court even as the Central Organization of Trade Unions, KOTU, threatened to call a nationwide strike of all workers in solidarity with teachers if the government does not play ball within the next 7 days. Here is more now on that story.
On the second day of the second week into the teachers' strike, empty classrooms and desks will come into most of the schools. Teachers have vowed not to engage in any teaching activities in schools until the government gives in to their demands. The Central Organization of Trade Unions, led by the Secretary General Francis Atwoli, has come out strongly to back the teachers, threatening a nationwide strike by all workers under the unions in support of the teachers' pay.
So we are joining our brothers and sisters in teaching profession to make sure that that solidarity is really solidarity, and solidarity for a purpose. 2, the very government has already declared that they are going to lay off about 40,000 civil servants. Tell me where these 40,000 people are going to go. This is a very dangerous move by the Kenya government.
The strike is meant to push the government to implement the Court of Appeal's interim order for the teachers to be paid an additional salaries of between 50 and 60%.
Ingawa walimu nitaka nyongeza mishahara ya kati ya asilimia 150 mpaka 300, tunawapa asilimia 50 mpaka 60. Hii ndio ofa ambayo serikali yenyewe walikuwa wametupatia wakati yale mazungumzo. Sisi hatukutoa hii asilimia 50-60. Serikali ndio ilitupatia.
Mambo ya corruption inafanya sisi tutajoin walimu. Kama mtu mmoja anatengeneza 1 billion siku moja, hajali. Na hizi pesa zikiwekwa pamoja, walimu watakuwa na mshahara.
Both the Teachers Service Commission and the Kenya National Union of Teachers have petitions against each other, the Labour Court and the Supreme Court. The unions, including KOTU and the 2 giant Kenyan teachers unions, are scheduled to hold a major meeting at Nairobi Zuru Park, a meeting they are calling prayers. Nicholas Wamboa for KTN News.